Switcheasy Coverbuddy, $47.99. First up, insanely thin and lightweight. This is the Switcheasy Coverbuddy case. It's lined with a soft microfiber finish that feels great against your skin while protecting from scratches on the surface. The 3 dots are designed to correspond with the smart connector on the back of the iPad Pro. The case attaches magnetically to the iPad Pro and covers all sides except for the bottom of the iPad, while also adding a holster to the Apple Pencil, making losing your Apple Pencil in your bag on your commute a thing of the past. There is no drop resistance built in due to the paper-thin, lightweight nature of the case, so handle carefully and be sure not to drop it. So you probably should treat it as if you didn't have a case at all. Which may make you wonder, what is the point of getting this thin case that doesn't protect the iPad or add any extra bulk? But I would tell you that this case shines the brightest inside of the Apple keyboard. So for those that have a Magic Keyboard, this is a nice way to get more protection and coverage within the iPad Pro case, making it the ultimate keyboard combo. There is a tiny USB-C cutout that can be a little bit limiting with the case if you have thinner cables, but most standard USB-C cables will do the trick and it will work out great. But take note, just in case you have bigger USB-C cables. It easily detaches from the keyboard case and returns to an iPad with a pencil holster, which is still a great addition to the iPad Pro for short periods of work without the iPad case around the house, offering great coverage on the edges of your iPad without sacrificing the freedom of your iPad being an iPad. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.